I'm taking you directly in the main cave system. We never know what's flying around inside the caves. Look at the size of that skeleton. That doesn't sound good. Hello, Kate?
We're gonna need help cleaning up the traps. Joe, how's the look back there?
Hold on, I need more light.
Oh, great. I hate these flying lights. Vortexes! Take cover! Joe!
Hang on, Kate, we're coming. Kate!
Go, you filthy!
Whoa! Everybody stay seated. Kate, behind you.
Get down!
Come on, Kate.
Just get out of here!
Not without you.
Go!
Kate, no! Base, come in. We lost Kate. We lost...
Doc, come back. We called everyone back.
Everybody, be very quiet. Never mind. Oh no, and it's still happening. Look at him. He's massive. Incredible. He could have squashed us like a bug.
Team 1, this is Base.
Kate, is that you?
Yeah, we're all back. Are you alright?
Never better. And how about you folks? Team 1, you alright? Tell you what, the next time we face dinosaurs together, let's do it in a museum, okay? Wait until we come to a complete stop.